Hello, this is my English speaking practice, and I'm talking about. Actually, I haven't decided what I I gonna talk about. Yeah. So today I'm not going to develop my personal project. But I'm planning to start a new project with my friends, and I'm gonna talk about the project with friends tomorrow night. So right now I have nothing to talk about, and yeah, and also I have no idea about what we are going to create. Yeah, but I want to create a game and earn money. Yeah, earn money by selling the game. So, and mm, these days, I've developed my original online board game, but it is a hobby project, and it it doesn't earn money. But but this time I aim to earn money by game development. Yeah. So yeah, so this is like a project, kind of project. So so we should discuss what we are going to create and how how they earn money. Yeah, or something like that. Yeah, and my friends are Japanese, so I have to talk with him in Japanese. So that's that's not my English speaking practice. So I have I have to spend time. I have to spend time for English speaking training. Yeah. So I'm gonna busy. I'm gonna be busy. Yeah. And right now, I have nothing to talk about, or I I have no plan about the game. Yeah. But I did some research um, about platform Yeah. Um, this is a comparison, the comparison of platform for publishing the game. Yeah. First, Nintendo Switch, and they have a indie platform. Yeah, but it requires the achievement before. So this is our first time development, so we cannot choose Switch as a platform. Yeah. And next, Steam. Steam is also famous game platform, and they also have a screening or something like that. So yeah. So they have some requirements, but I think we can do it. We can pass the screening and publish the game, I think. So this is one option. Yeah. And next is itch.io. This is similar to Steam, but this is suitable for indie game developers. So I think this platform is the best way to publish the game for the first time. So I will tell him that we should choose this platform for the first time. Yeah. And lastly, browser is it's not game platform. Yeah, it's just a browser, so we can access the browser in your laptop. And the previous my game work is on the browser, and we can play it on the browser. So for prototyping, the browser is the best way because I'm familiar with it and it's simple. Just deploy to the Cloudflare pages or AWS or like that. So it is easy to deploy the game. So yeah, this is not bad. But to earn money, we should pay attention from a lot of users. So when we publish the game, we should choose the game platform. Yeah, so that we can attract the users. Yeah. Yeah, so my plan is like that. First time we publish the game on Ichi, and then we will migrate the game. At the time we don't need to migrate the game. Just publish it on the Steam. I don't know. Maybe we should migrate the game for Steam, and if we can sell the game a lot, we got some achievements. We will get some achievements, and we will bring it to Switch. And at this time, we should migrate the game for Switch, because the Switch have specific architecture. So we should build the game for Switch. And also, before publishing to Switch, to each, we can make it on browser for prototyping. And in the prototyping phase, we can have my friends play our game, and we will get feedback from them. Yeah. This is what I thought about. And regarding what we want to create, I have no idea, but I have some opinions. Yeah, it's multiplayer game. Yeah. Because I like multiplayer game. So yeah, I like playing something with someone. So we're gonna create multiplayer game, and that should be turn-based, because our team is 2 members, composed of 2 members. So we have a less power of development, so we cannot create action game like Mario Kart or Smash Brothers or something like that. Yeah. And I also like turn-based board game or strategy game or like that. So yeah, so, and also my friends also like something like that. So maybe yeah, the game would be turn-based. Multiplayer game and turn-based game, and also game engine. Oh, game engine, Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, or without it, or nothing. So previous this game is what's called Selfish, and this is my game, turn-based and multiplayer, and turn-based multiplayer, yeah, strategy game. And this is created without game engine. Yeah, it's because not complicated viewer, so I didn't need to use a game engine. Instead, the UI is so simple. Yeah, like this. So it is it feels like amateur game, or I don't know how to express, but you can guess what I want to say. So this is created without game engine, but it's okay. This game is not created for earning money, so this is just hobby project. So yeah, I'm satisfied with this game. Yeah, the game rule is refined. Game rule is refined, and yeah, I have made it interesting. Yeah, by adjusting the game balance. Yeah, but this time we aim to earn money. So for example, if we publish the game, for example, we will sell the game for $3 or something like that. Yeah, so we put a price on the game this time. Put a price on the game. So this time we wanna upgrade the user interface or user experience by enriching the animation or sound effect or something like that. So we should use a game engine. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm not familiar with them, so I got study about the game engine like this. Yeah. And my friends who are going to create a game with me is a YouTuber, a game YouTuber, and he is familiar with the user interface or designs or games or like that. So I think he wants to he wants to be creative with the design or user interface. So we will choose to use the game engine. That's it. So I'm gonna meet with him tomorrow. Meet with him on Zoom or something like that. And tomorrow we will talk about it. Yeah. And he is not engineer, so he's not developer. So maybe I needed to explain something like architecture or mechanics or etc. and how to develop the game. So right now let me talk about the explanation. So this is the multiplayer game, so we should prepare server, and this is how to write diagram. This is cloud, such as Cloudflare, AWS, GCP etc. And this is I'm responsible, and client we should choose how to develop it. Unity, Unreal Engine, or Godot, which is open source game engine, and nothing, pure JavaScript. This means pure JavaScript. Yeah. And client Unity, UE, Godot, nothing. Client, and he and I are because assets, yeah. So for the game we need a lot of assets, yeah, like images, or maybe images, yeah. Yeah. Godot, Unity, UE, Godot, assets. So this is on him. This part is on him. Assets and scripts. This means how to manipulate or how to operate the game objects, like that. So we should choose 2D or 3D. Yeah. Maybe we will choose 2D because this game is turn-based, and yeah, it have no parts of no parts for actions. There is no action parts, so we don't need to choose 3D, I think. Yeah. And if we choose the 3D, it will be difficult to create assets. Maybe we are going to have to use the Blender or something like 3D editor, 3D modeling, which is difficult. Yeah. Mm. And how to execute the game. Yeah. Windows native app or on browser. HTML5, and in order to publish on Steam we will choose Windows native, but browser and for browser and each we can choose HTML5. Yeah, like this. And I'm a web developer, so yeah, I'm familiar with this, but I'm not familiar with this. Yeah, this is a kind of hurdle for us. Oh. Yeah. On cloud, I'm responsible. Server client Unity UE goes to link. Yeah. And the most important thing is the game rule. Concept and game rule. Yeah. And this is so important. And I found it difficult to explain the game rule with background settings. Yeah. Regarding this game, I'm talking about the overview at first, and yeah, but this is not overview, this is just introduction of background settings, and this is a game overview, but this is so simple, just victory conditions and game progressions, how to proceed the game. Yeah, so and next I'm explain the basics for this game. Water note, this is a concept of place and time, concept of time, and two kinds of resources, share capacity and data fish. Yeah, this is a basic. But until here, even if the users read the document here, they cannot understand how to play it. Yeah. And next, background knowledge and terminology of the cyber ocean world. But if you read this part, without the gameplay, you won't understand what they are saying. Yeah. So I found the best way to explain this game at the beginning, and game overview and basics, and then we will go to here, and this is a playing guide, and this page explains game balance and player strategies. Yeah. So this explanation have a story. Yeah. So this is relatively easy to understand. Yeah. So in this game, there are two type of resources: share capacity and data fish. Yeah. And players aim to maximize their share capacity, and there are three main ways to obtain share capacity. Yeah, first is the self-recomposition, and second is and third is mission reward. Yeah, so this explanation helps players understand how to win the game, how to proceed the game during the game. Yeah. So this is enough, and here is advanced contents about UPB, or the increase ratio, or and yeah, this part explains the game balance theory. Yeah. So in this page explains how to choose your strategy to win the game. Yeah. So here there are three types of the player to win the game. And we are talking about missions, because missions is crucial to win the game. So this is also important content. And this mission works in order to adjust the game balance. So that's it, important. That's it. Yeah. And then we should we should look at facilities, because in this map there are a lot of facilities, and of course in this explanation the concepts such as self-recomposition or purging data fish or something like that. So we we go back and forth this page and this page. Yeah. This is about my game. So I found the game explanation is difficult. And I think how to I should learn from the existing famous games. This game is one of my favorite game. Let me translate this sentence into English. This is called Yaminabe Jinrou. Yaminabe Jinrou. Which means like kind of werewolf. And Yaminabe means bowl that contains something that are not known at all. Yeah. So the player need to hide your role or profile, and the purpose is to cook a good bowl, cook a good soup, or yeah, like that. And basically the players collaborate or cooperate with them and collecting a lot of various ingredients. Yeah. But there is but the one player is betrayer. So the betrayer, I'm not sure. Traitor, betrayer, yeah. So there is one betrayer, so the betrayer tended to interrupt cooking well. So that's why this is called yaminabe. So yaminabe, so the soup have a lot of ingredients, but all of them don't know what's in the soup, right? So this is a simple explanation. And in this game, the player needed to correct the ingredients and cook it. Yeah, and at the same time, the player needed to talk with them and to find a betrayer. Yeah, so this game is a combination of them. Yeah, and this is a four player game. Yeah, if you don't have enough players, you can add a CPU. Yeah, so in this game you can play it easily, because okay, let me explain. You can add a CPU as a player, so if you don't have enough number of players, you can play this game. Yeah, game rule. The players are divided into two teams, without being known, without notice. Yeah, or in secret, or how to say. Players are divided into two teams in secrets, and each team aim to complete the win conditions. For shopper or cooker, or shopper teams. For shopper team, aim to create a delicious soup. So they need to go to dungeon in order to collect ingredients or some this is kind of Japanese things. So that's like what is it? Pendant, or something like accessory, or but it has a some this is difficult to say. Players are secretly divided into two factions, each pursuing their own victory conditions. The goal of the Clark faction is to create a delicious hot pot. they venture into dungeons to gather ingredients and charms, aiming to combine them for higher scoring hot pot dishes. Yeah. Okay, good explanation. And also, the player can forbid ban ban. The player can ban one player before putting in ingredients into hot pot. The banned player cannot. No. The banned player, the amount of ingredients that a banned player can put into hot pot is less, so the players can protect the hot pot from the strange or malicious or suspicious player. So this is a concept of the game. So let me continue. Spy factions. Spy factions aims to interrupt the clerk faction. And there is forbidden ingredients for the hot pot. Forbidden ingredients is decided, set. So if someone put it into the hot pot, the the hot pot turns into not delicious, not good, but the hot pot, right? So the player of spy aim to put forbidden ingredients into hot pot without notice from clerk factions. And also the spy can inform the falsy informations to their team, to the clerk factions. So it causes the suspicious situation between clerk factions. Without putting hidden forbidden ingredients into hot pot, right? Let me see the movie. This is a hot pot. And yeah, go to the dungeon and collect the ingredients. And when putting the ingredients, they don't know who put it. And they discuss yeah, so you can't tell who added what. Yes. Let me see the translation for my English. In Yaminabe Wolf, you will enjoy a new style of gameplay that combines two elements: a cooking game where you collect and prepare ingredients, and a social deduction game where you uncover the traitor through conversation. Up to 4 players can play, and if you are short on players, you can fill the slots with CPUs. So even when you don't have a full group, you can still enjoy a hidden role game with ease. Game rules. Players are secretly divided into two factions, each with their own victory conditions. The goal of the Clerk faction is to create a delicious hotpot. Players ventures into dungeons to collect ingredients and charms, and aim to cook high-scoring hotpots through clever combinations. Before adding ingredients to the pot, players can ban one other player. Banned players will have fewer ingredients to add, allowing you to protect the pot from suspicious players. The goal of Spy faction is to sabotage the clerks. Certain ingredients are banned, and if they are added, the hot pot becomes a dark pot, yaminabe, ruining the dish. Spies aim to sneak these forbidden ingredients into the pot without getting caught. Okay, I understand. The spies can also spread false information to disrupt among the clerks, making them turn on each other without ever having to take action. Make them turn on each other. stir disrupt among the girls, making them turn on each other. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to finish today. Yeah, these days I couldn't I couldn't practice English, so yeah. But I feel like I have to practice English every day. Yeah, I want to talk. I want to talk fluently, so I'm going to continue this stream. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to finish. Thank you for watching. Bye.